too many have stood where I stand. Many more will stand here too. The thing that I find strange is the way you build me up and knock me down again. The part was fun, but now it's over. Why can't I just leave the stage? Maybe that's because you securely locked me up and threw away the key. Oh, angel, please help me find the key. Oh, beautiful angel, please won't you let me go free? I thought I was lucky. I thought that I got it made. How could I be so blind? You skipped by on a corner that I thought led to the straight. You set me on a firmly laid and simple course, and then removed the road. Oh, angel, please help me find